Now we're going to dive into this beautiful palette. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the new Morphe eyeshadow palette. It is the 35XO Natural Flirt. This is part of the new holiday collection by Morphe. It is inspired by Ashley Strong, who was the winner of Instant Influencer. This is the holiday collection. It comes with the palette that I am going to be reviewing today, an eye brush kit, eye and face shimmer in 4 shades. So they are like highlights, but also highlights you can use on the eye, pop on the lid, like lid toppers. It comes with a very necessary lip trio with a lip pencil, lipstick, and gloss. It comes with a continuous setting mist in holiday packaging, and another lip trio in sweet tea, which is a more like nude shade, and then some lashes and a bag. So basically that's the whole collection. I got the eyeshadow palette. I just think this is what I was most interested in. If you want to see more drugstore launches and what I think of them, I'll link that video below. Also, I did one for high-end, Christmas holiday launches, so I'll link that as well. Let's just get down to it. Don't mind my hair, it's a little bit of a mess. I actually just got my wisdom teeth out less than a week ago, and I'm a little sore still. Didn't even know if I'd be up to recording today. So it was a good day and we just popped on some makeup and we're just gonna do it. So this is the palette. It is that cardboard material rather than their plastic, which I prefer. It's personal preference, to be honest. So this is the outer packaging. It's gold. It does seem pretty holiday themed. It does seem holiday themed, but it also honestly could be, I feel like, sorry, my camera's going funny. I can't even show you the palette. I feel like it also looks like a Valentine's Day palette as well, so it could go for both. This is the actual inside. So the inside is pink, which if anybody knows me, I love that. It's my favorite color. And the palette is definitely like dominantly pink berry toned, which is very holiday themed. I think fits in, the winter season. So I'm just gonna play around with this palette, create a look, try to test as many of the shadows as I can, the mattes, the metallics. There, I think, are a couple sequins in there. The glitter, we gotta apply the glitter. And then I'm going to come back, give you my final review, and at the end of the video, I will have swatches of the whole thing. So keep watching if you want to see the look that I create and my final review on this palette. Oh, and I also actually from Morphe got the P. Louise. They started selling different brands. I don't know what that's honestly about. Basically, you now on Morphe can also purchase other stuff. It's almost like they're becoming a mini, like, not Sephora. It's nothing close to Sephora, but basically they have other brands I think they've collaborated with. Their extended family. They have Vanilla Co., Beauty Bakery, Benefit, Dominique Cosmetics, Duo, Eye Candy Cosmetics, Flutter Lashes, Frank Body, Grande Cosmetics, House of Lashes, Hum Nutrition, Iconic London. Okay, I'm not going to read them all, but there's a lot. P. Louise is definitely known for this right here. It is their base. And it's really good, number one, as an eye primer, but also for making cut crease. So maybe we'll do a little cut crease in here. I'm gonna use it just as an eye primer right now, and then we'll see if we do a cut crease. Now we're going to dive into this beautiful palette. Okay, so I finished the eye look. I really liked the shades that I used. The nice deep berries were very pigmented. They blended out really nice. They didn't lose their, you know, pigmentation and vibrancy, stayed true to the color, and I think that they're really pigmented and blendable. I was really happy with all the mattes that I used. Obviously, I still need to play around more to check out all of the shades, but the ones that I used I'm really happy with. I liked the metallics. I thought that they were really stunning. I think that it offers a variety from natural to dramatic, different, you know, warm to cool, you know, those mauvey and then the peachier shades. I think it also offers a really good range from browns to pinks to purples. So it gives a good variety in shades and finishes and everything. There's one glitter, which was the same as the last palette, the 35C, the Chic, Everyday Chic palette that I reviewed. If you're interested, I'll link that review as well. It was a beautiful palette too. I really liked it. This one's a little bit more like almost like berry pink. As I said, there's only one glitter in each palette. I think that's their new theme in the palette, is you get one glitter. I'm gonna be honest, it's not my favorite glitter formula. They're very hard to apply without you know, a glitter glue. I didn't lay down any more of that P. Louise because I had already laid it down for the metallic for that cut crease. I didn't want to have like 3 layers. But I think if you were to use a glitter glue, it would apply better. I just personally feel like there's definitely better formulas in terms of glitter. So that's the one thing I've noticed about Morphe's palettes that's a little bit disappointing. For example, the Tati Beauty glitters are like the best glitters I've ever used. Self-adhesive, super like stunning glitters. This is a little bit more fine than her glitter. So maybe you would like that better, but it is a little harder to apply. So I just pick it up with my finger. And then when I'm applying it, instead of just going like that, because you don't really get a ton off your finger, you kind of slide your finger a little bit and it kind of pushes the glitter off of your finger. So if you're just going in with your finger, that's the best way to remove it. And then you get a little more pigmentation. I just put it in the center of the lid and it just popped a little bit of glitz onto the eye. I do think it's holiday themed without being too, as I mentioned, like red and all that. I think it's more winter themed. I would say it's more winter themed than just holiday themed, but I personally prefer that. So color selection wise, I'm really happy with this. Formula wise, I'm really happy as well. The glitter is the only one I would say is a little bit disappointing, but I went into it knowing that that's just how Morphe's glitters are. You gotta put a little bit more elbow grease into getting it off your finger. If you wanna apply it with a brush, I'd recommend wetting the brush or, like I said, using a glitter glue. So yeah, overall, I'm actually really happy with this palette. I might like it better than the 35C. I just think that it offers like a variety in undertone, and I am neutral. So I think because I'm neutral, I like that it has some warmer options, but still the cooler tones, and just, it really is like a mixture of all my favorites. I like browns. They have some like more gold and champagnes, but then they also have, you know, the burgundy berries and the pink. So this palette is a success in my eyes. I'm really happy with Morphe's formulas. You know, that's not really new to me, and I think that this palette is true to their past palettes in terms of formula. I recommend it for sure. I'm gonna also apply my lip product. I got 2 of the Morphe Shine lip crayons. They're like shiny lip crayons. I guess the name's pretty self-explanatory. I got it in the shade ROFL and BRB. So BRB is almost like a nude pink. Now, the actual like packaging is like brown almost, so don't trust the packaging. I would definitely read into the descriptions of the shades, but that is actually a really beautiful shade there. And then the BRB is like a more rosy pink, which on the package it almost looks orange. Do you see what I'm saying? So don't trust these colors. They definitely either messed up or just did a bad job with that. But I think that I'm gonna go with ROFL because it's more nude and I think it'll match the eye look a little bit better. actually really like that lip crayon. I really like that it has a bit of a shine to it. Number one, it's so creamy, really lightweight, but I like that it has a little bit of a shine to it because it's almost like a 3-in-1, like lip pencil, because it does have that point like a typical crayon. I like crayons because you can kind of line your lips and fill them in at the same time, but because this one is shiny, it's also almost like a very subtle glossy like finish. So it's like a lip liner, a lipstick, and a gloss all in one. I really like that, and I really like this color. It's a very like neutral kind of pink, nudie pink. So I really like that. I don't think they're supposed to last a ton of time because they are that like more slippery, glossy kind of finish and texture, so I don't think they're gonna last all day, but they're so easy to apply. You could just pop it in your purse and bring it to work or wherever. Keep watching for swatches of this whole entire palette. I'm really excited to continue to play around with this palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell. I also have a giveaway going on if you have not seen my MAC holiday collection review. I announced I'm giving away one of the Pat McGrath Mega Mothership palettes. So if you're interested in a free Pat McGrath palette, go ahead in the description below and check out how to enter. Have a wonderful day, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.